Ever wondered how some YouTube channels skyrocket with these videos? If you're ready to elevate your channel with engaging content, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through 6 simple steps on how to create quiz videos that grabs attention and keeps your viewers interested. Don't skip this video. I will mention and talk about getting Canva Premium for free. Ready to transform your content and connect with your audience? Let's get started.
Step 1 is to use ChatGPT to generate a list of compound words. To do that, enter the prompt. Give me a list of 5 compound words. Now you will get these 5 compound words. Now moving on, the next step is to split words with emojis. Enter the prompt for split words with emoji. I've added this prompt given in the description below. You can easily copy and paste it here. Now we will get split words with emojis. Let's move on to step 3, generating engaging voiceover lines. Enter the prompt here. You can use the prompt provided in the description below. As you can see, we will get an engaging voiceover script. Let's copy the voiceover lines and paste them to Google Docs. Then let's go back to ChatGPT. Now moving to step 4, gather the generated results in a table. Enter the prompt here. Yes, now we got the results in the table. You might be wondering why we create a table. This table will help you create bulk quiz videos in the video end. Now moving to step 5, you need to generate a voiceover using 11 Labs. To do that, go to 11 Labs. I have added the 11 Labs link in the description below. It will take you to 11 Labs. Here you can see text-to-speech options. We already pasted the Google Docs generated VO line. Now go back to Google Docs, copy the VO line and paste it here. If you want to change the voice, you can easily change it here. Now click Generate here.
That's right, it's a sunflower. Let's move to the next one. Correct, it's basketball. Ready for the next challenge? You got it, it's toothpaste. On to the next word. Yes, it's a waterfall. Let's see what's next. Exactly, it's a notebook. Here's the next one.
As you can see, it is generated. Click Download. Now moving on to the last step, edit the quiz video using Canva. To do that, go to Canva. I have added link in the description below. It will take you to Canva. If you want to know how to get Canva Premium for free, add your comment below and subscribe to Skillify. I will upload an upcoming video on how to do that. Okay, now that we have made the quiz video, we need to go to the video section. Click Video. Again, click Video. Now you can see the editing area appearing here. First, we need to add a background. Click Element here. As you can see, the search option is here. Search for animated background. You can choose any background here. I just chose this one. As you can see, it appears in the editing area. Now we can fill the background on the full page. Just move it up to the left and click here to drag and fill the page. Now we need to add these elements and text. First, we need to add the number with the gradient circle. Click Text here. Select Heading. Edit the number 1. Go to Add Font Thickness. Once you've done that, place it in the corner here. Now we need to add the gradient circle shape and place it behind the number 1. Click Element here. Scroll down. Click the circle here. Once it appears in the work area, we need to change the color. Click the color icon. Choose any of the gradient colors. Now place it behind the number 1. Make it a group. The second thing is to add the text, guess the word. Next, we need to add the emoji instead of adding it as an element. Why? Because if we add the element of emoji, we can't able to connect the table data text format. Only we can able to connect the data. It will help to change image automatically to multiple pages when we give the data. So we just want to copy paste the emoji. Go to the copy paste emoji website. I have added the website link in the description. Copy any one of the emojis and go back to Canva. Click text here. Now paste the emoji. Now we need to add 2 emojis. So duplicate this emoji and paste it beside it. The next thing is we need to add a loading bar. Again, click Elements. Go and search loading bar. Select any suitable loading bar. I just select this one. Do some cropping in corner rounding. Follow the visual and do it like that. Yeah, almost done. Now we need to add some animation here. I just want to add all of these. I showed you one of the elements on how to do that. You need to follow that and animate all the necessary elements. First, click the element. Click Animate. Now, choose the animation here. That's it. Once you do that, we need to show the revealing answer page. For the first 10 seconds, the loading bar is loading. After the 10th second, the answer is revealed. So first, crop the timeline for the first 10 seconds, which is the number, emojis, and loading bar. Let's do that. Right-click, click Show Timing, and crop the timeline for all the elements for the first 10 seconds. Once you do that, next, after the 10th second, we go to Add the Answer page. Again, click Element, scroll down. Click here, adjust the size here. The last thing is to add the answer in a word. Once you've done it, now we can create multiple pages. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the table here. Go to Canva. Click App here. Search for Bulk Create. Click Bulk Create. Click Enter Data manually and paste it here. Once you do that, connect all the data. Once you've done that, click Continue. Click Generate 5 designs. It will generate 5 pages. Emojis and words are generated for all pages. You only do manually to add the related image to all the answer pages. If you want to download this, click Share. Select the file type here. Adjust the quality here. Click Download.
That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.